Dear students, in this lecture we will do 8-point DFT and 8-point IDFT using decimation in frequency algorithm. ठीक है, clear? First, you have to see the basic difference between butterfly diagram of DIF and IDFT using DIF. Clear? IDFT is inverse discrete Fourier transform. What are the difference between DIF and IDF? First, you have to multiply the sequence, input sequence or the output sequence with 1 by n. Here in case of IDFT, we multiply this with 1 by n. N is 8 as we are performing 8-point DFT. Okay, so we multiply the output sequence by 8. And the second difference is the sign of twiddle factor is changed. If it is W80, it will be W8 minus 0. W81 will be W8 minus 1. W82 will be W8 minus 2. W83 will be W8 minus 3. Clear? Here is W80 means W8 minus 0 you can say, and W8 here it is 2. W8 2. Okay, because we skip the 1. In this stage it is W80. In next stage it will be W80 and W82. In third stage it will be W80. Okay, so here it is W82 and here it is W80 and W8 minus 2. At the last stage W80 or W8 minus 0 remain the same. So we write here W80 only. You can write here W8 minus 0, no problem. Clear? This is the difference between simple DFT and IDFT butterfly diagram. Okay, now do the calculations of these diagrams. Here the question is you have to perform DFT of sequence 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 using 8-point DIF algorithm. Clear? As we know, in discrete DIF decimation in frequency algorithm, you have to write the sequence in sequential order. So I write here 2 1 2 1 2 1 and 2 1 means in sequential order. Then according to the diagram multiply this sequence. Clear? Here 2 is coming and this 2 is addition with this 2 means 4. 1 is coming, this 1 is adding with this 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is coming, this 2 is added with this 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. And this 1 is coming, this 1 is added with this 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, do the calculations for odd point. Odd point means you have to multiply the point with minus 1 or with twiddle factor. Here 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. Here 2 is coming. 2 multiplied by minus 2 is 0. Here 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1 and from here 1 is coming. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 2 multiplied by minus 2 is, this is minus 1. 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2 and from here 2 is coming. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again 1 multiplied by minus 1 and from here 1 is coming. So it is 0. And in case of DIF algorithm, you multiply the sequence with twiddle factor after the addition. Okay? Means in DIF, this is the completion of the first stage after multiplying with twiddle factor. We know all zeros are multiplying with twiddle factor. So the answer will remain the same. In the next stage, this 4 is coming and from here 4 plus 4 is 8. This 2 is coming and from here 2 is coming. 2 plus 2 is 4. Remember, at the odd points you have to multiply with this minus 1 after this point. ठीक है. So before this only 2 will go to this stage. Again 4 is coming from this side and 4 multiplied by minus 1 is coming from this side. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 and 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again this is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0. 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0. This is 0 multiplied by this 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. This is 0 multiplied by 0. Minus 1 means minus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now this 0 is multiplied by twiddle factor, answer will 0. This 0 multiplied by twiddle factor, answer will be 0. This 0 multiplied by twiddle factor, answer will be 0. This 0 multiplied by twiddle factor, answer will be 0. This is basically the output of second stage. Clear? Now move to third stage. This 8 is coming from this side and 4 is coming from this side. 8 plus 4 is 12. This 8 is coming from this side. This 4 multiplied by minus 1 is 8 minus 4 is 4. Rest was 0. 0 plus 0. 0 minus 0. 0 plus 0. 0 minus 0. 0 plus 0. 0 minus 0. Clear? This 12 is same, means x of 0. So we write here 12. This 4 multiplied by W80 is 1. W80 is 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. But this is the fourth point. X of 4. ठीक है? This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So we write 4 here. ठीक है? Then x of 2 is 0. So we write x of 2. X of 6 is 0. 4, 5, 6. So we write here 0. X of 1 is 0. So we write here x of 1 is 0. ठीक है? X of 5 is 0. So we write here 5 is 0. X of 3. Then we write here 3 is 0. And then x of 7. We write here x of 7 is 0. So the answer of this 2121 DFT of this 2121 is 12 000 4 000. We have to perform the same numerical using DIT. You can perform the same numerical using twiddle factor matrix. You can perform the same numerical using DIT algorithm, and you can perform the same numerical using DIF algorithm. The answer will remain the same. Now in next diagram we are performing inverse DFT of this sequence using DIF algorithm. Clear? From the diagram it is clear that the input you have to write the sequence in sequential order. So you write 12 000 4 000. ठीक है? According to the diagram you have to multiply the sequence. This 12 is coming from this side, 4 is coming from this side, 12 plus 4 is 16, 0 is coming from this side, 0 is this, 0 rest all are zeros. ठीक है? 0 0 ठीक है? 0 and this is also 0. First 4 points are covered. Next 4 points we will do the calculations. Clear? For this 4 is coming from this side and 12 is coming from this side. ठीक है? This 4 is multiplied with minus 1, मतलब minus 4. Here it is addition of 12 minus 4 is 8. Clear? 0 is from this side, 0 is from this side, 0 is coming from this side, 0 is from this side, 0 then 0. So all these points are 0. ठीक है? We know in case of DFT we multiply the twiddle factor after the addition. So this 8 is multiplied by W80. W80 is 1. This 0 is multiplied by W8 minus 1. W8 minus 1 is J. ठीक है? W8 minus 1 I think is J. It was 2. ठीक है? W8 minus 2 जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो भी मल्टीप्लाई किससे हो रही है? 0 से. W8 minus 3 is multiplying with 0, so the answer is 0 here. Now move to the second stage. ठीक है, output of first stage is 16 triple 0 8 triple 0. Now move to the second stage. 16 plus 0 0 plus 0 is 0. ठीक है, 0 plus 16 is 16. 0 plus 0 is 0. ठीक है, here 8 plus 0 is 8. ठीक है, 0 plus 0 is 0. This 8 is coming from this side and 0. ठीक है, 8 and 0 is 8 and this 0 is coming from this side and 0 is this 0. ठीक है, so the answer of second stage is, देखो this 2 is this 16 is multiplied by W8, 0 is again 1, मतलब 16 ही रहेगा. 0 multiplied by W8 minus 2 is 0. ठीक है, 8 multiplied by W8 0 is 8 ही रहेगा. 0 multiplied by this is 0. Clear? This is the output of second stage, that is 16 0 16 0 8 0 8 0. ठीक है, I forget here to write minus 1 minus 1. As you know, the values, the line having value minus 1 is also multiplied by with this twiddle factor. ठीक है, now move to the third stage. Clear? This 16 plus 0 is 16. 16 minus 0 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. 16 minus 0 is 16. I am saying minus 0 because this minus 0 is multiplying with minus 1. Clear? 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay. We know this value is multiplied by W80. W80 is same. Okay. So the output of third stage is 16, 16, 16, 16, 8, 8, 8 and 8. Now we know that we have to multiply the sequence with 1 by n. Here capital N is 8. Okay, we are performing 8-point DFT. So capital N is 8. So we divide 16 by 8. 16 by 8 is 2. So first x of 0 will be 2. Okay. 16 divided by 8 is again 2, but this will be the value of x of 4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now the value of x of 4 is again 2. Here it is 2. Value of x of 2 is 2. Here it is 2. Value of x of 6 is 2. So here it is 2. Now x of 1 is 8 divided by 8 is 1. So it is 1. X of 5 is 8 divided by 8 is 1. So it is 1. X of 3 is 8 divided by 8. 1. So it is 1. And x of 7 is 8 divided by 8. It is 1. So it is 1. So it is shown that the inverse DFT of sequence 12 triple 0 4 triple 0 is the sequence 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, these are the calculations of 8-point DFT using DIF algorithm and 8-point inverse DFT using DIF algorithms. Thank you, beta.